Hey guys, anyways, Hope here, and we're 1 week away, 7 days to go to the official announcement of the iPhone 8. And in today's video, I wanted to give you guys some quick updates on some of the latest leaks in terms of color, naming scheme, and much more. So let's get right to it. First, I want to talk about colors. There's been so many rumors in regards to the new colors coming to the iPhone 8. And in this case, there's been a part leaked, specifically the SIM card tray. Now, these happen a lot. SIM card trays get leaked before the official announcement. And this could be very, very legitimate. This is coming from Benjamin Geskin on Twitter. And this part shows off what could be called the brush gold, or it's just simply gold. Now, this gold color isn't exactly as the gold color that we see on the iPhone 7 Plus. Now, if you see here, put them side by side, they do not look identical. This is more of a brownish, caramel, copper colored gold, and it's very different to the current gold that we have right now on the iPhone 7 Plus. Now, there's one thing that caught my attention right away after I thought about this new color, and that is the front panel. What color will that be? Remember the red iPhone when Apple screwed up and made it the front white, and a lot of people wanted the front panel to be black, so it just looks nicer. So the black iPhone, of course, we're going to get the front black panel. For the space gray or gray color, I'm pretty sure they're going to go with the black color as well, as they have done in the past. But with this new color, the copper gold, I'm really hoping they don't do the same thing they did with the iPhone 7 Plus gold with the white front. I think the black front panel will look amazing. It's going to hide the notch, and it's just a lot better to look at. It's better. It's a better combination. So hopefully we get the copper gold, the brush gold, whatever they decide to call it, with a black front panel to match. Now, on a video released earlier this week, we see what's reported to be an iPhone 8. Now you see here the launching applications. The phone is fully functional, and it's got the cutouts on the top, very similar to what we're already anticipating for the iPhone 8. But for some reason, I feel like this video is fake. It just looks off. Everything looks a little sluggish. It just doesn't look like something Apple would do. And of course, the video has to be very, very blurry, and for us not to be able to detect what device is under that display, for the darkness there doesn't allow us to. But you can see here this video that was released earlier this week with a reported iPhone 8. I believe this is a fake. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I also wanted to share with you guys some images of the Steve Jobs Theater. Now, this is where the iPhone 8 will be announced, and these are some of the constructions and things that are happening inside the building right now. Of course, this is the first time ever Apple is going to be holding an event. This is a brand new building, so this is just a quick first look, sneak peek at what's happening inside. I'm sure Apple was not very happy these images are out, but there they are. So the Steve Jobs Theater is getting ready for the iPhone 8 as well. And last but not least, I want to talk about the new naming scheme for the iPhone 8. A new report on 9to5Mac indicates that the new iPhones, earlier reported to be 7S and 7S Plus, will now be iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus, alongside the iPhone Edition, of course, with the OLED display and all the new technologies. This makes a lot of sense because 7S and 7S Plus just makes the device sound very inferior to iPhone Edition. A lot of people are already accustomed to the iPhone 8 name since there's been so many rumors. iPhone 8 would be the new 7S and 7S Plus, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, which will be the glass front and back with the wireless charging. The performance will be close to identical to the Edition, if not identical. We'll have to wait and see for that. Of course, the OLED display and some new technologies will be debuted on the iPhone Edition. However, the iPhone 8 will be on par in terms of performance, so it makes sense to make it a brand new device instead of an iteration of a previous device. So in this case, Apple can take a lot of advantage because of the naming scheme being 8. A lot of people would buy the 8 or 8 Plus, and the Edition would be for more the pro user end. So we'll have to wait and see what Apple decides to do, but that's the latest in terms of naming scheme. We're literally 7 days away. Hopefully we don't get the hurricane here in Florida, and I'll be able to cover this event for you guys. Fingers crossed. We'll have to wait and see what happens with that. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you real soon. Peace.